I will be by our students. Tente. Say hi. Yeah. Hey guys, good afternoon. So this is after 2 in the afternoon. So I've been so busy since morning. So after school runs, I did some cleaning and sweeping. I mean putting the house in order, and after that I did laundry. So I just took my bath, not quite long. My son will soon be home and my daughter is inside sleeping. So guys, I'm just about to have my breakfast. I'm having my breakfast in the afternoon, so let's just say this is my breakfast and my lunch. So, and I'm having yellow gari and afan soup. So I prepared this, I made the soup yesterday. One thing about me is that I have three soup that are my weakness, 3 vegetable soup that are my weakness. One is afan, number 1 is afan, number 2 is oha, and number 3 is edikaikon. Or let me see, number 2 is edikaikon and number 3 is oha soup. Anytime I make any of those soup, if I not see the end of it, my body no go calm down. I so love them, the taste, all the native ingredients in it, the aroma. I don't know if you are getting me. I just don't. Sorry, I'm saying that is, I don't even know how I can put it into words. Wait, so you guys won't believe I made this yesterday, and look how rough it is. I called someone to come and make it for me at home. I did not even remember to film it, and look how rough it is looking. I only did this type so that I'll be able to use wig if I want to go out, so I won't just be packing my hair up and down. But look how rough it is looking. Look at, if I tell you I made this yesterday, will you believe it? So this is my first time using fish to prepare it. I only use meat, and in it there's periwinkle, pomo, and stuffed fish that we all call oporoko. So guys, let me eat. I'm famished. I'm so hungry. How can a breastfeeding mother be eating breakfast by this time? I don't try. Make I chop, I beg.
2,000 years later.
Well done.
Bye.